Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall any app or software on your computer. Let's get started. So once you have your computer open for you, the first thing you want to do is to head over to the search bar. And then once you're there, you want to search for add or remove. You can see even before completing what I want to type, you can see an option here says add or remove programs. You want to head over there and select this. And then once you have this open for you, you can see right here on your computer, it shows you how many apps that is found on your computer. Here, if you want to search for a particular app you want to delete, you want to head over to the top here and search for the app. So assuming I would like to delete or uninstall my Google Chrome, all you have to do is to head over here and search for Google Chrome. Now you can see I have Google Chrome here shown on the screen. You want to head over here and select the three dots at the right part of the screen. And now you have an option here that says uninstall. If I head over and click on uninstall now, you can see you get a warning saying this app and its related informations will be uninstalled. If you want to go ahead with this, you want to head over and click on uninstall. And this will uninstall and then remove everything related to the app or software on your computer. Most of the time, after doing this, to make sure you fully uninstall the app, you might have to restart your computer before the app is permanently removed from your computer. Alright guys, that's all for this quick and easy tutorial. If you found the video helpful, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy or want to watch more videos like this. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.